Oh, very nice. Are gonna be periods in here where it's like, hey honey, I love you, have a nice day, and everything's going, and like what you're doing, and whoa, everything's good, you're so happy, you're so fun. And there are gonna be times where it's like nothing to say, like okay, it's just boring, something, no. The content isn't the same today. You're just taking the dishes and talking about a dish you want to make with whipped cream for later. Like that's not me at all. And other times it's like like ciao ciao boogie like a bow bow, det er mig, sort fornuft. Tjek like ciao ciao boogie like a bow bow, det er mig, sort fornuft. Det er mig, sort fornuft. Det er mig, sort fornuft. Det er mig, tjek like ciao ciao hua hua, au wow, det er mig, sort fornuft. Fuck you asshole. No, not you, and like I wish you were someplace else, and then you just swipe. Then the videos, what to say, then it's just like, this is how a relationship is. So nothing new under the blunt.